We're just up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse in Maudsley. We've been harvesting ripe sweet peppers, including Lany, Spanish Giant and sweet Porto. Sweet Porto, Gardening Angel Paul brought back from Portugal. So whilst we're filling big boxes of the things here, we have still got peppers, rather large peppers, still on the plant, waiting to be harvested. Some are small, waiting to come good. And Gardening Angel Paul is harvesting Fresno chilies, growing in a Vivi-Grow.
A couple of decent ones there.
Yeah, very nice chilies. And as just a bit of an update, we have Carolina Reapers ripening in the Oxypot XL. Carolina Reaper obviously being the world's current hottest chili pepper. And next to it, which is no stranger to heat, is the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion. So a few of those coming ripe as well, which is good news. And this is just the view from the back of the greenhouse where we've been harvesting peppers. Oh, there's two big ones back here we need to get.
Oh, we missed the duo grow.
In the duo grow. So there's still peppers in abundance that we actually haven't seen. There's more here. I think that large box of peppers is going to get filled with yet more. Not bad. Another day at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse.